Well, I'm rolling down with the mean machine. I got a V8 motor, insurance clean. I'm a hot rod man. I'm a hot rod man. Look out, little mama, gonna get you if I can. I got the cowboy caddy with a custom seat.
On May 30th, I attended a special event, the Carroll Shelby Rev Your Engine's Memorial Salute. I attended this event at the JBA Performance Center in San Diego, California. But as the event was happening there, it was happening literally all over the world. From the Peterson Automotive Museum in Los Angeles, California, all the way to the Northeast Texas Community College in Mount Pleasant, Texas, where Carroll was a big supporter of the Mechanics in Training program. Indeed, from Kansas to Kuwait, Shelby automobiles and their aficionados gathered to pay tribute and rev their engines at precisely the same time, which was 6:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, USA. I got a chance to talk with Jay Biddle, owner of JBA American, about the event.
Well, today we're celebrating the life of Carroll Shelby. We've brought together enthusiasts from all around San Diego County. We're part of a worldwide, nationwide celebration of his life that's going on today. 6:55, we're revving engines for Carroll Shelby. We're all going to do a gentleman start your engines thing. This is started off with the Peterson Museum, and Shelby American and Ford Motor Company are hosting a major event simultaneously, and they're doing a simulcast. So we're here because we can't get to Wilshire Boulevard in the middle of a Wednesday afternoon, and we're going to have our own thing at JBA.
There was some great music supplied by the Stilettos, although once the cars got going at 6:55, the sounds of dozens of high-performance engines revving in tandem tribute to a true automotive legend was pretty much all the music the crowd needed.
All right, gentlemen, start your engines for Carroll Shelby. Rev them up. Let's go.
Rest in peace, Carroll Shelby. Rest in peace. The world is a better place for having known you.